Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a VW Golf key battery. First, identify your specific key type, as designs can vary slightly. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have good lighting to clearly see the small components. This simple process will get your key working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.